right, coming through our spine series. So taking the feet just a hair wider, a little bit wider, moving through cat. So starting that movement at the pelvis, at the hips as we tip forward, we lift, arch, and squeeze the shoulders back. Then exhale, draw the belly of the ribs in as you tuck the hips and round through the back. Inhale, lifting, arching. Exhale, curling in. Let's do that twice more. Welcoming some movement into your spine today. One more time. Good. Come back to center, dropping down through your hips, lifting through your heart. Take a little twisty to your right. So your left hand will come onto your leg, your right arm behind you. We're still in a little bit of that, in Tai Chi, they would call this a horse stance. Sort of like you're sitting on the horse, right? So just finding some length through your torso as you look to the right. Now keep drawing gently back on your right shoulder and turn your head left. So we're just going to rotate the head right and left. One more time, right and left. Looking back to the right, we'll take one more breath here. Release through center. Pause. And then twisting to your left. So your right hand comes over to your left knee, your left arm, anywhere here. It can be by your side. It could sort of reach back maybe and hold onto the seat of the chair, or you could reach around and hold onto the back of your chair, just where that shoulder feels happiest. Going for happy shoulders here. All right, finding a little length. So we're going to press down through the hips, lifting through your chest. Easy twist left. Take a breath. Shoulders relaxed, and then just the head is going to turn right and left. Right and left. Let's do that one more time. Right and left. One more breath in your twist. Gently unwind, coming back to center. We're going to come through another round of our cat stretches just to sort of integrate that. So a little lift and arch, moving through your whole body, rounding back. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Good. Come back to center and pause. Bring your legs a little closer, so just kind of back to your mountain pose stance. And we're going to wake up the side of our body, side of our spine. So lots of options. Let's just all start with this one with our arms by our sides and start to slide down the right. The arm is just heavy, the shoulders dropped away from the ear, the head's tipping over with you. And then slowly back up through center. And then gliding down that left side. Again, the arm is heavy, the shoulder is heavy, the head is coming with you, and then back up. Let's do that again, to the right. Let your inhale bring you up, growing taller, and then exhale, side bend left. Inhale, coming up. Okay, now you can stay with that version, or building on, you can, again, glide down the right side, bend the left elbow. So kind of a little monkey-like stretch. And then as you come up to center, that arm drops down. And as we side bend left, the right arm just kind of sweeps up, bending at the elbow and down. Again, to the right, we bend the left elbow and down. And it does not matter how high, so to your level of comfort. Okay, again, you can stay with the first version, arms by your sides. The second version, elbows sliding up, or if it's comfy for you, now going to the right, sliding that left elbow up and then continuing reaching overhead, perhaps if that feels okie dokie in the shoulder, and bringing the arm down. Side bending left, the right elbow bends, and then we sweep up and over and back down. Let's inhale here one more time each way. Exhale to the right. That left elbow sweeps up, maybe the arm reaches. And back down as we inhale through center. Other side, exhale. Reach. Inhale, bring it back down. Let everything relax. Let your weight drain down, top of the head, all the way through your seat, your feet into the earth. Nice. I tell you what, if you want something to do every single day that would take about 5 minutes, it's those spine stretches. There's lots of variations that you can do with them, but basically cat stretches, so front and back of the spine, a rotation of some sort, twisting, and then a side bend of some sort. Your body will thank you if you do that every morning.